Welcome to the Host with Confidence podcast. I'm Becky Guzak, here to empower the hesitant host to entertain with confidence and ease. I'll be sharing stories, strategies, and inspiration on how to take out the stress and boost up the joy of welcoming guests into your home. Okay, let's get started. Welcome. I'm excited about today's festive topic, celebrating Cinco de Mayo at home. It's great to go out to a restaurant and connect with people over a meal, but there's something special about being in someone's home. It adds a layer of hospitality and closeness that's more personal than sharing a meal at a restaurant. So today's episode is about empowering you to host a fun and stress-free Cinco de Mayo gathering at your home. First, let's start with what is Cinco de Mayo. The 5th of May commemorates Mexico's victory over the French in the Battle of Puebla on May 5, 1862. In Mexico, it's primarily observed in the state of Puebla with military parades, reenactments, and cultural events highlighting Mexican heritage. However, it's not a federal holiday, so celebrations are relatively low-key compared to other holidays like Mexican Independence Day from Spanish colonial rule that was declared on September 16, 1810. Cinco de Mayo is renowned all over the world and in the United States has evolved into a widely celebrated occasion, especially in areas with large Mexican-American populations. Festivities often include street festivals, concerts, traditional food, and plenty of vibrant decorations, serving as a symbol of Mexican culture and heritage. So how can we celebrate Cinco de Mayo in our homes? Well, starting with food, one of the easiest festive spreads you can put together and is beloved by many is a make-it-yourself taco bar with all the fixings. By offering a wide variety of protein, carbs, vegetables, and condiments on the side, it's colorful, tasty, and guests can get creative building their own tacos and salads with items they enjoy. Think foods such as sizzling or grilled meats, maybe shrimp or fish, tofu, definitely rice and beans, tortillas, then lettuce, corn, peppers, and salsas, guacamole, cheese, sour cream. Gotta have cilantro, pepitas, limes, hot sauces, and more. The same goes for beverages. Set up a DIY station that has all the fixings for the drinks that you and your guests enjoy. Nothing could be simpler. A couple added festive touches could include music and games. When you're thinking of music, how about put together a playlist in advance that includes Mexican music in the genre that best suits your style? Depending on your group, a game could be a fun activity, perhaps a Cinco de Mayo themed trivia game or a Mexican bingo called Loteria as examples. Something to always think about when entertaining. You can throw the whole party yourself and do all the cooking, or you can take out the stress and delegate. You don't have to do it alone. People generally feel more comfortable when they can contribute in some way. Most people don't like to show up empty-handed, so giving them a specific dish to make, an item to bring, or a job to do makes guests feel good and adds to the overall communal feeling. For example, here's some of the types of things you could ask of guests. They could bring a dish or fixings to contribute to the taco bar. They could bring Mexican beer, a bottle of wine, or their favorite beverage. Perhaps you have a guest who would like to put together a music playlist, or someone is good at organizing games and would enjoy putting together a Mexican-themed trivia quiz or other game. If you have a guest who likes to play bartender, perhaps they could whip up a pitcher of margaritas. The key to delegating is to let go of perfection and enjoy your guest's gifts of participation. One last bit. This year, Cinco de Mayo falls on a Sunday, but gathering any day or time around then that works for you would still be great. If setting up a DIY taco bar sounds a bit much for you, how about just inviting a few friends over sometime that weekend for something very simple, such as chips and salsa and refreshing drinks. Just do it, keep it simple, and enjoy. Well, I hope this inspires you to provide a festive space for folks to have fun and connect. The next episode will be all about celebrating moms, just in time for Mother's Day. Thank you for listening and sharing your topic suggestions. I love hearing from you. If you have stories, questions, or ideas, please email hostwithconfidence@gmail.com. Thank you for tuning into this episode of the Host with Confidence podcast. I hope you found inspiration and valuable insights to help you along your hosting journey. Please remember that the key to hosting with confidence is all about embracing your unique style, having a plan, and enjoying the process alongside your guests. If you like this episode, please subscribe, rate, and review on your favorite platform. Your feedback and support are greatly appreciated and helps us build a stronger community.
Cheers.